channel Be Your Best Beautifuls. I hope you all are safe and sound in your homes. So today I'll be reviewing a newly launched product from Just Herbs. So yes, I have been a big fan of Just Herbs right from 2015 when I received a facial kit from Just Herbs in my fab bag, and I was totally drooling over it because it was so effective and it had such a beautiful fragrance. Like all the products, there was a toner, there was a cleanser, there was a face scrub, there was a face pack, then there was a gel, and I loved it. I was very happy with the quality of Just Herbs. So yes, so Just Herbs recently came up with the idea of these herbal lipsticks, which is made up of various herbs, like all good herbs. So, and I have ordered their sample kit, which has around 16 shades, which is really good. All these 16 shades will suit Indian skin tone, so I was really happy. So I'm going to show you the sample kit just now. So yes, as you all can see, yeah, so as you all can see, this is the smallest, cutest bag which they have provided. So they have a ribbon attached to it, and it says Just Herbs Pure Bespoke and Ayurvedic. So, and on back side of this packet they have all the ingredients mentioned. So I will just read out some of the ingredients to you. So they use herbal ingredients like mulethi, ashwagandha, brahmi, manjishtha, khareti, and also they use vanaspati ghee. So it is cruelty free. So yes, so all really good products, guys. And the net weight of this particular 16 shades, it has 16 shades, guys, 16 mini lipsticks. So the net weight is 7 gram and the gross weight is 38 grams. So yes, so and the expiry to these 16 shades is for 3 years. The MRP of this particular product is 575, which is, I think, great if you're getting to test out all the shades, all the that will suit to your skin. So yes, so I was really happy with Just Herbs coming with this particular idea to first try out the sample shades, and then maybe you can go for a full size lipstick. So yes, I would also like to tell you about my shopping from justherbs.com. I will be providing the links for this particular sample kit in the description, and I want to appreciate them for really taking out time and writing to y'all. They literally write you mails every other day, every second day, about what is being done with your lipsticks. So first they will write that these lipsticks take time because these are handmade lipsticks, and it is freshly made using all the herbs. And then there is a second mail saying that now your lipsticks are made, now we are packing them and we are putting a label to them. So I really liked it, that so you know what exactly are they doing with your order, right? So, and along with this particular shade lipstick, they also give you a trial product, and they have literally around 7 to 8 options from which you can select which product do you exactly want. So I ordered this trial product, which they gave free of cost. It is the Insta Glow complexion pack. So I hope you all can see it. Yeah, so coming to the main star of this particular video, so these are Just Herbs, and there are 60 mini lipsticks in them, really small, guys. So this is shade number 4, as you all can see. So talking about the packaging, it is a very small, as you all can see, it's a very small lipstick, and the packaging is not flimsy, guys. Take a look. It actually takes me good 2 to 3 seconds to open the packaging and to open the cover of the lipstick, and it's not flimsy at all. It's of good quality plastic, which I really like. It's a perfect travel size, guys. You can use this lipstick, and you need not worry about that it will break because the plastic is of really good quality, and the bullet of the lipstick is also nice. I have applied this, I have taken swatches just to check. So as you all can see, the bullet of the lipstick is also really sturdy. It did not break because I did lot of swatches before shooting this video, and I am wearing one of them. and yeah, the formulation is super good, guys. It's creamy, it gives you a satin finish, and I actually tried out this lipstick for a long time. So yesterday I applied this lipstick in the evening, and it was there for 2 to 3 hours, and then I had my dinner. I did not have my dinner consciously because I have a lipstick. I normally had it, and the lipstick was still there. That means the longevity of the lipsticks on your lips is really good. And I'll just swatch one product for you. So as you all can see, this is just one swipe, guys. Yeah, so it's pretty pigmented, it glides really smoothly. I'm in love with these mini lipsticks, and yeah, and there are 16 of them. I had almost worn it for around 7 to 8 hours yesterday, and it was moisturizing. My lips did not feel dry even for a minute. I'll be showing you the swatches of all the lipstick. My lips are big pigmented, so the color may vary a little bit, but then you will get an idea what the color is exactly all about. So yes, those were the lip swatches of all the 16 shades. Alright then, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like it, please share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye.